a school student or a college student. If you want to make money using AI tools, this video is for you. Follow the following 4 steps which I show in this video. First, make a YouTube Shorts channel.
Life hacks are the secret weapons in my daily battle with chaos. From using
Step 1. Go to ChatGPT for story. Click on Try ChatGPT. Describe your story here. Give me a story of 100 words. The story should be funny. Now ChatGPT is preparing a story for me. Now just click on Read Aloud.
In a quiet town, a cat named Whiskers believed he was a ninja. One night, he attempted to stealthily swipe a piece of fish from the neighbor's barbecue.
After that, copy your story. Step 2. Make voice for your story. Go to 11 Labs website and click on Get Started Free. Now paste your story here. Now this website gives you 10,000 characters for free, and after that you have to pay for it. I am using 559 characters now. Now check for voice. I click on Adam voice.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
This is famous voice used in YouTube Shorts. Now click on Generate button.
In a quiet town, a cat named Whiskers believed he was a ninja. One night, he attempted to stealthily swipe a piece of fish from the neighbor's BBQ. Whiskers donned a black sock as a mask and leapt from tree to tree. Just as he was
Yeah, this voice is suiting for our story. Now click on Download button and download the voice. Step 3. Make images according to scenes. Go to Microsoft Designer. In this website you can make images, greeting cards, and you can edit your image and can remove background. Or you can use Adobe Express. It is completely free. Click on Get Adobe Express free. Now generate image. Click on Generate Images and Text. Now try to describe your scenes here. I write a cat in ninja dress doing kung fu. Now AI will generate images for you. Select an image from these 4 images and click on Download button. Now download the image in PNG format. It is best for images. For subtitles, use v.io. Now combine all of your photos, audio and subtitles using any editing app. For mobile you can see this video. For PC you can see this video. Thank you.